one, let's say I want to customize for my invoice format. So how are we going to customize? Let's say now I have a sales invoice. I need to go back to that particular sales invoice first. Any other invoice from here? So what we do, we click on the task from here. There's a design button. Need to ensure it's the data entry screen. Then you click on the design button. So normally the UDR is meaning that this is the format that you are your own format, and the SR is mean that you system report. So which means that normally what we do, we just take the SR02, this is the existing one. Just click on this one and they will create a format for you as a UDR. So now I have created a format already. It will come to a customized format screen. So this is the one. So we just leave it for this part first. We minimize for this report designer. We minimize first, and we can go for, let's say I have another format, like let's say this is my existing format. Okay, for example, let's say this is my existing format. Okay, I put the name, it's called existing. So let's say this is my existing format. So my existing format is looked like this one, and I don't have any info like the bottom. So how are we going to very quick to update the QR code? Are going to update the information? First thing, you come to this footer. I teach you the faster way only lah, but if let's say you want to adjust the alignment to another place or whatever, that is up to you. But this one, let's say I go back to this one, I have a report footer, and this one I customize the range, become bigger. I have more space on this one first on my footer. Let's say I don't want to authorize, I just leave for this authorizer. So what we will do, we just go back to this sales invoice is our SR, the one. And from this one, we scroll at the bottom here, we just drag and we get this E-Invoice information and also the QR. We just copy, Control C to copy, and then we come to this existing format. We just come back to here, just Control V to paste it. Okay, so now we have the information, everything already. Just the thing is the complicated part is only for this QR code. So if let's say now I'm not a valid E-Invoice, I do want to show my QR code. How are we going to do that? First thing, when you click on this QR code, there's an arrow button from here, and you just click on the arrow button. So inside this arrow button, there's called a formatting rules inside here, and you click on these three dot buttons. After that, you click on the edit rule sheet, and inside here, there's called a formatting rule sheet editor. You click on the add button with the plus sign on this one. Just click on this one, and under this one, you click on the call a condition. That is called a three dot buttons on the right hand side. Insert the condition, and from this part, you just need to type. Okay, is null or empty. This is the one you just select for this one. Is null or empty. Then you have a bracket inside, and from here you can see. Just scroll from here now. Okay, sales invoice details collection. Because we have the header, we also have the details. So we need to look back for the header. So we need to sales invoice details. Inside that one, I have a code of sales invoice, and then from this sales invoice, you scroll down. The suspect is called a unique identifier number. Okay, just double click so you can see it's null or empty sales invoice dot unique identifier number. Then you just click on the OK. So now you have setting the condition already. The next thing, you can scroll down. There's another one, it's called receivable. So this is the one. So if let's say the unique identifier number is empty, so do I want to see the QR? So normally I'm not going to see the QR. I will set this one as a no. And you also can scroll down a bit. There's called a name here. So you can assign, or you can put the name by yourself. What is the name? QR. And then I can just close for this one. After I'm done for this step, then remember this one, after I'm done, I just need to apply the rules, and I save for this existing format. That's it. This is how are we going to customize the format. And once you've done already, so we can try to take a look. How are we going to see our result? So let's say now we see about this is the E-Invoice, we have the QR, everything. So during when we refresh for this one to get existing one, so when I preview this one, so you can see this invoice you have the QR on here, and you can scan, you will get the same UUID number. But if let's say now I try to search another document, let's say this is the one pending. So when I try to see, because this is the one is a pending on the submit for the console. So when you preview on this one, it also will not have any UID number and will not have any QR code. So only for those is related submitted by individual document, then only they will come out the QR for you, right? So you can always to customize by yourself how we go to customize your existing format as well.
Q&E Optimum, your trusted partner in simplifying accounting. E-Invoice ready.